If you have ever spent hours hunting for the best moments in a long video, trimming them down, captioning every word, and then manually scheduling posts, this guide is going to change your life. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to automate the boring stuff by using a tool called Vizard to turn your long-form content into a massive stack of ready-to-post clips. We are going to stick to a simple 3-step framework today, which I call the import, process, and publish method. First, let's talk about the import stage, where you simply open your project dashboard and drag your long video files directly into the software. Whether your footage lives on a hard drive, a cloud storage service, or even on YouTube, the tool quickly scans every single frame to get started. One of my favorite features is how it automatically generates a full transcript and a heat map of viewer attention, so you never have to transcribe anything yourself. While that runs in the background, you can quickly choose your target aspect ratios, like vertical for Reels or horizontal for YouTube Shorts. That is honestly all you need for the import phase, and it gets us ready to dive into the meat of this workflow, which is the process stage. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of footage, the AI engine analyzes engagement signals to suggest the most viral-ready moments for you. You can play through these suggested clips, and if you need to tweak them, you can simply highlight sentences in the transcript to adjust the video timeline instantly. If you need to extend a clip or trim out some dead air, it feels just like editing a Word document, making the whole experience incredibly fast. Next, let's talk about polish, which starts with adding those engaging captions that everyone expects to see on short-form content. I personally prefer a clean white font with a subtle outline because it ensures the text remains readable on absolutely any background color. You can also add B-roll footage or your personal logo by simply dropping the files onto the timeline and locking them in place. Don't forget to sprinkle in some subtle sound effects or whooshes for your transitions, but make sure you lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. Even though professional studios use external software for deep audio repair, this tool applies smart leveling to make your clips sound crisp and professional. If you are wondering how this compares to other tools, Descript is great for heavy text editing, while Premiere is powerful but honestly overkill for quick social clips. This tool really sits in the perfect middle ground by combining automated clip discovery with lightweight, fast editing features. Once your clips look perfect, you can add a branded title card or apply a consistent style template to keep your social feed looking cohesive. Now we move to the final stage, which is publishing, where you can use the built-in content calendar to automate your posting schedule. You can pick your posting cadence, and the AI will automatically queue up your best clips to go live at the optimal times for your audience. I love that I can visualize my entire week of content in one glance and simply drag and drop posts if I need to rearrange my strategy. When you are ready to export, the platform offers specific presets for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, so you get the right quality every time. Before you finish, make sure you trim any dead space at the start of your clips because viewers decide if they are staying in the first 2 seconds. Try to batch your workflow by processing a huge stack of videos at once, which will easily save you an entire month of editing work. Now, no tool is perfect, so you should still keep an eye out for moments that need a human touch or a clearer hook for your audience. If your brand requires very complex motion graphics, you might still need pro tools, but for most creators, this setup is absolutely unmatched. This import, process, and publish workflow is the secret to turning one long interview into a month of content without losing your mind. If you want to try this out yourself, check the link in my description to get started with Vizard today. Take one of your existing long videos, load it up, and you will be genuinely surprised by how many hidden gems are waiting to go viral. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.